everyone, welcome back into this channel. So today I would like to share the tutorials how to add several effects on our video on a CapCut by iOS or iPhone so that our video is not gonna seem boring. So yeah, let's take a look on the video on my project. Okay, so there is no effect on it, so it seems like a little bit boring. Let's make it more fun by having several effects on these features. If you can see on the bottom option, there is like a lot of features that CapCut give to us. Now just simply click the effects and goes into the videos effects. And now you can like scroll down to looking for what effects that you want to apply on your video, on your clip. For me, I want to have this shake effects. Okay, so it seems like a bit dramatic for several lengths. After you done, just click done over here, and then we just need to adjusting the length of the effects. I want to make it like just over here so that like a little bit part of the clip too gonna have this effect. And then for the next, I want to have the effects of on this seconds, just like the previous one. Go into the videos effect and then choose what effect that you want to apply into this clip. Just scrolling down and then just looking for which effects that you want to have. For me, I want to the vibrations flash. Okay, just click the vibration flash and right. So now let's have a test on our project. Okay, there is no boring videos anymore after you use this effect. So that's all for today's tutorials. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.